Hey y'all, how y'all doing? Have you ever heard of American pickers? You know, they pick the back roads of America. Have you ever heard of part-time pickers? Yeah, that's my boy Matt. He's on YouTube, and he got an eBay store. Have you ever heard of garage pickers? Cincinnati picker? Well, I just want to warn everybody. Yeah, we pick in the hood too. Yeah, we picking the hood too. Yeah, everybody got to know that. We picking the hood too. Yeah. But anyway, I just want to make a video. This came from out of St. Louis. Yeah, I've been picking since, I don't know, since I can remember. But I started selling on eBay in 2002. You know, I started selling on eBay, selling video games. And just during the wintertime, just doing Christmas. And I used to collect all the games throughout the year. During Christmas, I had to sell them on eBay. That's what I used to do. But sometime last year, I just started selling everything. You know, everything they nailed down, I started selling. And this week, I did something new. I go to the bins. Most of the time, I take my son because I like to select books. You know, I got medical books, I got nursing books, I got accounting books, I got all kind of books. Because at the bins, you can they go by inches. You put them on this thing, and you can buy like 15 books for like $2. You know, at the regular thrift stores, books like hardcover books are like $1. Sometimes you get them for $1.20, $1.50, $1.25. But I went to the bins one time and I found a couple of books that I liked that I sold on eBay. I got about $15 a piece for them or something like that. But I went to this one thrift store I go to all the time a couple of months ago. And something just told me to look at the books, right? So I looked at the books, and it was a whole lot of first editions in there. You know, and I looked them up. They weren't worth nothing, but they were first editions. You know, and they're scholastic. So that means that scholastic means that, you know, when the book come out, they send it to the schools for the libraries and stuff, and they get first editions and stuff. So, you know, I decided one day to get my books and put them on eBay. You know, they ain't worth nothing, I don't think, you know. That's just me. So, I got the first edition of a whole lot of different books. You know, but that's not what this video about. I want to make a video on an instruction video on how to sell on eBay. But I just want to show you some of the books I got. Catching Fire right here. You know what that is? What's the name of that Games movie? Whatever that game with the girl with the bow and arrow and stuff. That's that. Hunger Games. Yeah, that's the first edition right there. Hardcover. That's the second movie. And I also got the first edition's soft cover. They ain't worth nothing, probably about $15, but I don't care, they're first edition books. And this is the only one I got of the first movie, or the first book, right here. It's a soft cover. See, this first edition too. So I just wanted to show y'all that I got some first edition books that ain't, you know, they probably ain't worth nothing to you. But they might be worth something in the future. I got a whole lot of them. And I don't think I'm going to put them on eBay tonight because I've been talking to some of the people that watch my videos and they want to sell on eBay. So I'm going to try to tell them, you know, get them some instructions on what to do. First thing you need to do, you need to have a checking account, a bank account. Because when you sell on eBay, you got to go through PayPal. You don't have to go through PayPal. But PayPal protects you and it protects your customer. So you got to open a PayPal account. That's what I recommend you do. I don't recommend you just working out of your checking account, because if you do that, then somebody buys something for you, you really can't get a refund. PayPal will go on their account, take the money back out, hold it until the investigation is over. Whoever wins, they give them the money. That's what PayPal will do. That's why you have to have a PayPal account, in my opinion. So the first thing you do is you sit down and think about what you want to sell. My thing was video games. You know, I sold video games. Even swap meets everywhere, I sold video games. So that was my thing. You know, you might be good at selling clothes, shoes. You might have shoes like just stacked up in your house that you want to sell. You might want to sell sunglasses, whatever. Find something that you want to sell, concentrate on that first. Then when you get good at that, then you can move on to other things, or you feel comfortable, you move on to other things. You know, watch these other videos on YouTube and people selling stuff, you know, try to get a knack on what you want to sell. So the first thing is get a product, that's one, that you want to sell. Second thing, open an eBay account and a PayPal account. It's free. PayPal will send you a card, a debit card, and you have an account. It's just like a checking account. I mean, not a checking account, but yeah, just like a checking account, but you got a debit card, and all your money for your sales and everything going there. If you buy something, you don't have the money, they take it out of your checking account. So it's good to have that protection. So that's 1, 2. That's join eBay, join PayPal. Get your product, that's 3. Get your product to sell. You should have that before you do anything though. You just don't want to open all these. Well, you can open an eBay account and just buy stuff out of it. You know what I'm saying? If you want to sell, you open it to sell. I still buy stuff too off of eBay. But yeah, excuse me. But you can just open your eBay account and just buy stuff off eBay. You know, you still can sell on eBay, but you use your checking account. Now, I don't recommend you do that. Fourth thing, hold on, let me go through this. That's find a product, join eBay, join PayPal. So that's 3. So number 4 is when you find a product that you want to sell, make sure that you keep, how can I put it? Keep a steady supply on hand. You know, because you don't want to get to going, sell about 4 or 5 items, you know, and then stop all of a sudden and just because you don't have nothing else. You want to keep that rolling. You want to keep that going right there. So, you know, have something that you can have on there all the time. Sell it.
Real time, you got a copy.
Hold on a minute. The 5th thing, those are the 4 things that I can think of right now. But you know, I learned a long time ago to always have a business in your house. Always. I used to go to all these seminars. I used to go to all these things so people teach you how to make money. And that's the first thing they tell you. Always keep a business in your house. And the reason why is because all the square footage that's in there, that's in your office. Say you got an office. It says 10 by 10. You can write that square footage off. The storage in there, everything. You can write it off. You can write half your heat. I mean, not half. You can write whatever heat percentage of the house. The heat is in there, the air, the electric, everything. You write a percentage of that off your utilities. So always have. I'm never gonna be without it. I don't care if I sell boogers. I don't give a damn. I don't care if I sell Avon. I don't care. Hey, always have a business out of your house, and wherever you live, get your when you get a business, when you make get your name for your business, always get the fictitious name through your state. So I got 2 businesses. I don't have my business on eBay. I don't have that fictitious name on that because I just sell on eBay. But with my handyman business, you know, I sell all over. I sell on you know, all around St. Louis. I'm fixing on people's stuff. So, you know, they want to check the Better Business Bureau and all that. Check what rating I got and all that. So you want to be legit. But on eBay, it's just you on eBay. You legit with eBay. You know, eBay got rules, and you just legit with them. So it's something different. But you do need to pay taxes and write it off on your taxes and stuff like that. You know, I haven't done it yet. Don't tell nobody. I haven't done it yet, but it'll probably catch up with me one day. I don't know, but yeah, just go ahead and get yourself right. Start getting in this. There's people on eBay. It's women on eBay that just sell clothes. They just sell clothes. Go to the Roman store or the thrift store back in the day. See, that's old school. See that Roman store? Y'all don't remember that? Yeah, y'all young people don't remember Romich. Yeah, it's thrift stores now. That's that new people stuff. Thrift stores. But anyway, you want to go? They go to thrift stores and buy shirts, dresses, all this stuff, and they sell it on eBay. There's one girl. She make like $5,000 a month just selling clothes and shoes. So if you're a woman, you can just start off doing that. You know, selling costume jewelry, all kind of stuff you can sell. People buy the hell out of costume jewelry. You know, it's ways you can get started and make a little extra money. I ain't saying you're gonna leave your job or nothing. Just like me, you know, in the past 90 days, excuse me, I probably made close to $4,000 in the past 90 days. That might not be nothing to you. That's a whole lot of extra money that I can use. You know what I'm saying? And then I ain't doing nothing for but driving to some thrift stores or just going in my supply in my basement and getting stuff I already got, putting it on eBay. You know, my son finna go through his clothes. About a 20-year-old, well, he just turned 21. He gonna go through his stuff and because he can't fit it no more. He used to work at Foot Locker and all them other places. He got all these expensive Nike shirts. I'm gonna start putting them on eBay. You know what I'm saying? Instead of just giving them to the thrift store, I clean houses. You know, I clean houses. I do clean outs, and I go through the stuff first before I load the trailer up and take it to the thrift store. I go through the stuff first to see what I want. You know what I'm saying? Then I knock on people's doors in the neighborhood and tell them they can come get some stuff. Then after that, I collect the stuff I'm gonna take to the Goodwill or somewhere like that to donate, and then the rest get thrown in dumpsters and recycled in different, you know, I take different things like metal, stuff like that out to recycle. But that's how I get a whole lot of my stuff too. You know, I haven't had a clean out in about a year though. But when I do have a clean out, I still got some of the stuff I cleaned out of this one lady house. I got a dinette set, a dining room set, old-fashioned dining room sets with the hutch and all that. I got that, the chairs, you know, I got all that. But it's a whole lot of stuff I got out of that house. But the thing is that if you don't have no room to keep that stuff, then, you know, there ain't no use in you keeping it. I got a big 6-car garage outside of my house, and I got a 2.5, 3-car garage up front of my house. So, you know, it might be cluttered to you, but to me, all I see is money in there. You know, my wife be complaining about, you know, that's all the room she got to park her car up under the house, but I see money. You know, pretty soon I'm going to take a day off and list about 100, 200 items all in one day. You know, get all this stuff on the internet because it ain't doing nothing for me sitting there. So, yeah, I got about 30 baseball gloves I haven't put on there. I got about at least 25 bats that's not on there, and at least 20 tennis rackets that are not on there. I can name more and more. I got a big case full of Legos, like the big plastic storage cases. I got 2 of them full of Legos. I got Christmas. I got all kind of stuff. I can't even name everything, but I see money in it. You know, that's what I see. When I look at all this stuff, I see cash. So anyway, you want to get started on eBay, you know, it's very simple. Just when you want to get started, I don't think I just played this video back. You can see what I said and just hook on that way. You know what I'm saying? If you remember, then that's cool too. I'm not gonna remember nothing. I'm old. I'm old for Methuselah, boy. I feel old too. But you want to go ahead and play this video again and watch it, and then just kind of do what I say. You know, you can join eBay easy for free. You don't have to put no kind of information in there. Yes, you do. I think you got to put your account, your checking account in there if you want to buy something. But anyway, it's very simple, regardless of whether or not you got to do everything right now. It's still very simple. So don't hesitate to do that. You know, and I'm gonna put my eBay page right down at the bottom so you can go on eBay and buy some of my stuff. No, I'm just playing. You don't have to buy nothing. You just go through there and look at the stuff. You know, but if you buy something, that's cool too. I give you a discount if you put some in a statement down in the comment box or whatever. And yeah, that's a comment box. And then I'll talk to you about it, and we can just go ahead and do something or whatever. I don't know what you want to buy, what you want to. I'll just give you 10% discount. Another thing is that, you know, when you join eBay, well, that's too much for you right there, because you'll just be a new seller, and you ain't gonna have no inventory anyway. But if you did, you can just it'd be harder for you not to follow. I mean, you follow the rules, but they got different rules that, like, if your shipping is not on time. Say like I got 4-day shipping. Say you got 4-day shipping, and you ship it on the 5th day. Sometimes they penalize you for that and take points away. You get so many points, you get taken off the platform. You know. But anyway, it's Kevin from St. Louis. Next time I see y'all, I'm gonna show y'all my stuff that I'm gonna put on eBay and tell you what I sold. You know what I'm saying? So from now on, just remember, we pickin' the hood too. Yeah! Thumbs up, thumbs down, subscribe. Peace.